Hi friends, today we will be learning the procedure about how to take samples like CBC, LFT, KFT and all these things, how to take sample from peripheral veins. So this is the tray we have prepared before taking the samples. So in this we will explain you, these are the tubes in which blood samples has to be taken, and this is the tourniquet. Basically this is not the tourniquet, we are replacing this because we have shortage of tourniquet, so we will apply this in place of tourniquet. Ideally a tourniquet is applied above the area of the vein. Second, we will these are the gauze pieces. We will clean with this antiseptic chlorhexidine or alcohol, anything you can apply as antiseptic. So with this you will clean the area. With this you will apply the pressure so that the blood vein appears prominent. And these are the sterile gloves. The the person who will take the sample will wear the gloves. And these are the tubes in which sample has to be taken, and these are the blood culture bottles. If you have to take blood culture sample, then these are the blood culture bottle. And so this is our tray. So first you need to sterilize your hand by using antiseptic solution, hand rub, chlorhexidine or alcohol or spirit, anything. Okay, so this is the tertiary care center ICU. And okay, ready? Okay, fine. So this is the first step. Second is, the person who is taking the sample will wear the sterile gloves. In this there is written right and left both, so this way you need to do step by step. It is very easy. Maintaining sterility and antiseptic things are the most necessary part of the any procedure, so that you decrease the chances of infection whenever you use all the antiseptic and sterilization procedures while before and after doing the procedure. So after wearing the sterile gloves, next we will locate the vein. Okay. Now this is the another person is applying the tourniquet. So I have already told you this is not the actual tourniquet. We are using its replacement because we have shortage in ICU of the tourniquet. So now you can see easily this vein is located. This is the vein which is now prominent. So now we will proceed for sample taking. So after applying the tourniquet, I was explaining you the procedure of sample taking. First of all, the person will wear the gloves, sterile gloves. Then we have to apply the tourniquet like this to make the vein prominent. Then third step is to clear the area from center to periphery. Ideally below the hand we keep the green sheet to prevent the blood spillage around, but we have kept the paper because we have shortage of the sheet. There are so many patients of COVID in our ICU. So from center to periphery, either from with alcohol or from antiseptic solution like chlorhexidine, we will clean the area from center to periphery twice or thrice. After doing this, as you can see this prominent vein, we will take the syringes with the hands which have sterile gloves. So कितना ml syringe है?
10 ml.
This is the 10 ml syringe, and the needle is being applied on it.
5
Okay.
ml needle.
5 ml needle is being applied on it. Now 30 degree we have to, यहाँ पे थोड़ा जोर लेके लेना, पीछे से खींच लेना. With 30 degree angle यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो प्रेशर देके पीछे ले लो स्किन को हल्का सा, हाँ. With 30-degree angle, you go inside the vein slowly. The vein is very prominent and the sample can be taken easily. So how smoothly you can see the sample are being taken. Sample is being taken. So blood is being collected. We need to draw the syringe backward. The plunger is drawn backward to take the sample. And you need to explain the patient what the procedure you are going to do. We have already explained it before making the video. So first step, I will repeat again. First step, to wear the sterile gloves, and second, to apply the tourniquet. Now the sample that we have taken is being, हम इसे कल्चर वाटर में डालने जा रहे हैं. नाउ वी आर pouring down it into the blood culture bottle. This is the blood culture bottle. As you can see, the sample which was taken is pouring down into the blood culture bottle. कितना सैंपल लिया हमने इसमें? 10 ml sample is collected and around 5 ml is, दिखाना ऊपर करके. This is the blood culture bottle and the labeling will be done. Barcode is there for the identification. Okay. Now we will compress the area. The other sister is compressing the area from where we have taken the blood until the hemostasis is achieved. She has taken another sample of blood for other tubes. That was for blood culture, and this is for CBC, LFT, KFT and other investigations. The hand is being flashed so that the pressure stops the blood. Now blood is being collected in the tubes. This is for CBC. PT. For PT INR, the blue cap vial is taken and we do like this. Okay. And this is for CBC. The purple, show the purple cap vial. Show me. The purple cap vial is taken for CBC. This is for
LFT, KFT.
This is for LFT and KFT, the yellow one. And this
Ferritin, LDH.
This is for ferritin, LDH. So I would like you to know that in COVID patient we do inflammatory marker, which is serum ferritin, LDH, D-dimer and CRP. So these markers are being sent in this vial.
Extra vial.
This is the extra sample we collect in case if we need any other specific investigation, so we keep extra sample also. So we have taken the blood culture, we have taken CBC, LFT, KFT, serum ferritin, LDH, CRP, D-dimer, so that all the tests will be done. After taking the sample, you need to mix it properly. Now after achieving the sufficient hemostasis, we apply the gauge piece and the micropore or whatever in your hospital is available. We apply so that to maintain the pressure, so that no extra bleed occurs, and by tomorrow we will remove it. Now this was the right hand, and we always take blood sample for blood culture from two sides. Two sides means right hand and the left hand. So the right hand sample for blood culture has been taken. Now we will proceed for the left hand blood sample. from the left periphery blood sample, right periphery and left periphery. 2 sample you need to take for 2 side blood culture. So guys, we will stop the procedure here now. So hope you would like it. Please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned it properly.